She's on some shit. She looks like a high schooler, bro. She's clearly on some shit. She probably took fucking, she probably took some heroin, bro. And then you guys ever take heroin, bro? And then, you take the needle, bro. You put it in your cheek like, and then you take the heroin needle, bro. And then you put it up the penis hole. Me too, bro. Every night, bro. I always inject shit into me. Don't do heroin, kids.
Hi. I don't know who to really talk to here.
She's clearly on some shit, though.